Hello, this is KSMQ Public Television, Austin, Rochester, Mason City, coming to you with another COVID-19 area update. Today, we are joined by Jessica Erickson, public health nurse, who is Director of Nursing for Fillmore County Public Health in Preston. Hi, Jessica. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
I know it is very busy all throughout southeastern Minnesota and the country with COVID-19. Please give us a little update on how your county, how Fillmore County is holding up.
Yes, so Fillmore County currently has 14 COVID cases, one COVID-related death. We are doing well. We've prepped a lot and have really prepared and feel like we are doing a really good job.
How are you getting the message out to most? What's working? I know it's difficult not only because most counties down here, there are different age brackets of people, a lot of senior citizens. You have Good Samaritan Home, which is a huge employer down there. What's working best as far as getting information, accurate information to folks?
Yes, as you mentioned, we have a wide range of people in Fillmore County. We do have a Facebook account that we do update. We update our Fillmore County page on the website. We communicate with our assisted livings, daycares, nursing homes, and have that partnership with them to update them on any information that's pertinent. And we also have sent out letters to our community members that we serve.
I know that there have been problems at some cooperative living areas where there are a lot of people living together, senior citizen places. That has not been the case at Fillmore County as it has other places.
Yes, Fillmore County does not have a COVID case in an assisted living nursing home facility at this time.
So are you, in your role, are you reaching out to those people all the time, or do you inspect? How do you make sure that these facilities are doing it the right way?
Yes, so it's not necessarily me personally. Every single time we have a team for COVID, and we do have a partnership and give them updates from MDH or any pertinent information to make sure they have it. They also have our number, so they call out for any questions or advice or guidance.
So you recommend folks call in if they have questions, and what is that phone number, or should they send messages on Facebook from Fillmore County?
Yes, they can do either. We do have a COVID hotline at Fillmore County. It's 507-765-2642. So that can be anyone. That can be a healthcare provider. It can be a community member, anyone that has a question regarding COVID. And that's Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30 that we monitor that line.
Okay. And what have your biggest challenges been, would you say, since this has happened?
So I think some of the biggest challenges is that's probably not so unique to Fillmore County, but everyone's experienced them, is just that we don't have a hospital in Fillmore County, and we're also working with Iowa and Wisconsin cross borders to make sure that we're really getting the information we need and also providing them any information they need from us.
Oh, that's interesting. So does Iowa have a different system as far as county health? Do they have the same? Is there a counterpart to Jessica Erickson across the border, or is it a different setup?
So every state has a little different setup, but yes, there is a director of nursing there. It's just a little different, and Wisconsin is also the same way.
Oh, okay. So do you reach out to Wisconsin also on that?
I have not reached out to Wisconsin. I've talked to their healthcare systems, but I have not personally reached out to their director of nursing in Wisconsin for a county.
You have a fair amount of agriculture there in Fillmore County. Are you seeing folks out in the fields? Has the planting begun, or is that slowed down because of COVID-19?
For the agricultural, we have at Fillmore County, our emergency manager and zoning is taking a lot of the agricultural questions, so I can't answer specifically on that one.
Oh, okay. So you have is it emergency management type team that is taking on this COVID-19, such similarly to say if there were a tornado or a big other natural event?
Yes, yep. So it's a partnership. They're working with public health and other departments in Fillmore County. But yes, we do have an emergency manager at Fillmore County, and we have utilized his position to help.
Ah, okay. Where do you see, just anecdotally, I know you probably don't leave the office very often, but when you are out, as far as folks wearing face masks, I know where we are located in Mower County, Austin, and this is not scientific, this is just when you're out and about. It's probably somewhere around 50-50 or 60-40 as far as people that you see wearing face masks. And I'm just wondering if you have any observations.
Uh, I have noticed that at the beginning of the COVID that not many people were wearing face masks, but I would agree that it is increasing, which is promising.
Mm-hmm. And if are you on local radio down there, or I'm thinking, the kind of like public service announcements. I'm thinking if I'm a farmer and I have the local radio station on to get that little message in often.
Yes, I have not been on the radio for an interview, but we do update our media on our case counts or any big news for COVID.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's wonderful. Have there been any great successes that you've been part of? I know I talked to the Fillmore County Journal publisher the other day, and he was saying that the county seems pretty well prepared. You've had some good successes, I would assume.
Yes, I think we've had quite a few good successes. We're learning something new every day, but the one thing I want to highlight is just our partnership in the community. Masks for assisted livings or nursing homes or daycares or just our clients in general wasn't a big need, and our community rallied together, and we've had over 2,200 donations of sewn masks. So I'm really proud of Fillmore County and everyone else that has helped donate so we can give those out to people in need.
Oh, that's wonderful. Working together, that's great. It has brought some groups together that normally would not mix. Well, thank you very much, Jessica. It's a pleasure to get your views and to hear what's happening in Fillmore County. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
My guest has been Jessica Erickson, Director of Nursing, Fillmore County Public Health. For now, I'm Eric Olson, KSMQ Public Television.